Alright, secret DIY here. Today on this fan Dabby episode, I'm going to be showing you how to miscoat plastered walls. I did a video on it before and I got, well, quite a few people telling me I'm doing it wrong, I've done this, I've done that. So I'm just going to go and tell you how I did it at college and show you how to do it. So I've showed you the way I do it, which is basically like my uncle said, at the end of the day. You learn how to do it properly at college, then you learn how to make a living on site. So I'll put that video at the end like I always do. But today it's going to be showing you how to do it properly. Well, how college tell you to do it properly. So what you want to be starting off with some rich contract mat. I've got Leyland, that's what I had. Buying a screw fix, 26 quid for 20 litres, sorry. But what I find with this stuff is that basically it's got bits inside. I don't know why it's got bits inside, it's been a problem. Any painters want to elaborate on it and tell me I'm wrong or tell me I'm right or what they think, please put it in the comments. But we're going to go through everything now, and I am going to I'm going to sieve it out so you can see how I sieve it out, and I'm going to get rid of all the bits and everything. So that's another stage I'm going to go through. Also as well, basically I'll go through the full process. So what you want to be starting off with is 10%. So I've got 10 litres. If it's 5 litres, it's obviously 500 millilitres. Yeah, 500 millilitres. If it's 10 litres, it's like a litre. So it's half a litre to a litre, or 1,000 millilitres. Another thing I'm going to do as well is, so that I've got my mixer, so I'm going to mix everything up. You're going to need a mixer. And also as well, I'm going to put a bag in here in my tub. The reason I'm putting a bag in is because when you put a bag inside, I'm going to put some masking tape all around it. What happens is, when you take this out, obviously when you took your paint back in there and you take this out, it's clean again. You don't have to keep drying it out and cleaning it and all that good stuff. It saves time basically. You just chuck that away. So I'm going to do that. So with that said, I'm going to get cracked on. So I'm going to start off by putting this in here. So first things first, what I'm going to do to get this right is I'm going to half it. So I'm going to pour half into here, and I'm going to leave half in there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it all up, and then I'm going to sieve it into this bucket here. Also, you're going to need one of these. So, we'll shove it's in here, like so. And then let's get pouring the paint. So I'm going to pour half into here. I'm going to pour the other half in here. And then all you do is just get mixing it. Make sure it's on number 1, all the low setting pan, it goes everywhere otherwise. Now, once you've done that, it's dead simple. What I like to do is I get one of these sieves here, which I like, and all I do is I put it over like that, like so, just so it's like that. And then all I do is leave that like that, and then I just pour it in through here. And as you can see, just tips through. You can really bring you in a bit further. And all you do now, just keep doing that until you get rid of all the rubbish. Right, let's get cracked on with it. I'll get cracked on with that and I'll see you in a sec. So, that's all that in there now. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but there's all the bits there. All that rubbish now is out. I don't have to worry about that now. So, the reason I'm showing you this far is because this is just a mist coat. So if you, this is just a mist coat. So if you've got old paint and stuff like that, just use that. As long as it's contract matte, breathable or whatever, do that. But I have heard that you can go use a vinyl mat if you wanted to. You just read the manufacturer's instructions for a mist coat on new plaster. But for me, I always stick with contract matte. Any contract mat, doesn't matter, but like I say, you know, it's 26 quid for 20 litres in Screwfix, so that's what I went and got, but it couldn't bite me in the backside, to be fair. But never mind, anyway, so that's how you do that. So, if you do have old paint, just do this and just use that as your mist coat, really. So, anyway, once you've done that, what you're going to do then is get this out of the way. You need a bucket full of water and just do that. And get rid of all the crap off it. Keep it in good condition because you never know when you're going to need it again. And all I do is just get a brush. Just go around with my paintbrush quick. And get rid of everything. So I'll leave that in there for a minute because I've got something else to show you as well. Here, watch this. Oh, I've got my stand here. So get this. Watch this. Clean as a whistle. So all we do now is put another bag in there. We'll get this all set up and then let's get cracked on. So that's the end of episode 1. I've split this into 2 episodes. The reason being is because it's going to take too long. I'm already at 8 minutes already, and that's just talking about obviously mixing everything up so you can get all the bits out the paint. So the next one will be carrying on with the walls, how to do it, how to paint the ceilings and where to cut in and all that good stuff. So I just want to say thanks very much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Take care.